Welcome back, mathematicians. I'm back with another session with the PVB. We will work on addition and subtraction, and we'll have a separate video for multiplication and division. So let's start. A quick refresher. This is our PVB place value board. Here we have the thousands, and you see 3 zeros ahead of that, hundreds with 2 zeros ahead, tens, and that has 1 zero ahead. Okay. So the number you have here is 4,635, 4635. I think that's clear, so I won't get into this anymore. And let's move on with addition. Okay. All right. So the first one, 4635, which we have, to which we want to add 66. So we start any of these operations, we go right to left. So I already have a 5 to which I need to add 6. Let's see now. 6 yellows need to go on top of this peg, and that would be more than what I can fit on the ones. So what I'm going to do is I'll use my bank. We all know now, hopefully we do by now, that 10 of these yellows, that's 10 of these yellows can be replaced with one green, that's 110. So what I will do is I have 5 here, and I have another, how many do I have here? Another, well, I should have 6 here, right? No, my bad. I have 5 here and 6 here. So I will take out all these 6, put them in the bank. Okay, 6 go in here. And I will take another 4 from here. That would make it 10. That would make it 10. And I am going to pick up a green. So I exchanged 10 yellows for 1 green because I know I can do that, right? Okay, so that is that. That took care of my 5 plus 6. I got 11, and that left me with a 1 here and a 10 here. Now let's move on. So whatever I have on the tens is, I think I have a 4 tens here, to which I need to add 6. Okay, so again I have a nice little flower here where I have my 1 2 3 4 5 6 greens, and I also have 4 greens here. Again, same thing, if you recall, I can take all these greens out, that's 4, and I can take these 6 as well. Okay, and what do you think I can replace that with? With an orange, right, which is sitting here. So that gives me this orange. And let's go back again. Do I have anything below the hundreds? Nothing, so I just leave it the way it is. Anything below the thousands? Nothing, so I leave it there. So what's the final number we get here? It is 4, I have 7, nothing here, 0, and a 1. So that is 4701, and that's what I get when I add 4,635 with 66. Okay, just see how we used that bank. We can always do that. We always need to do that. Okay, exchange any 10 of yellows for a green, any 10 greens for an orange, any 10 oranges for a blue, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's see what we need to do next now. First, the number I have this time is 4,715. So I have my 4s here, I have my 7s here. Let me pop in a 1 here for the 10, okay? And I need 5 here, so let me throw in 4 more. Let's throw those in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So do I have that number now? I have a, okay, I have 4,715. So, okay, when we were on the addition operations, what we did is we were adding to the pegs, okay? Sometimes that went over what that peg could hold, and we went to the bank and exchanged. This time around, we are going to take things out from the peg. We are subtracting. And likewise, anytime we feel that need to go to the bank, we'll do that again, okay? So let's start with the first one. Again, as before, we go right to left. So 5 minus 1. Okay, we have 5 here minus 1. Straightforward. I took 1 out. Next one. Now I'm on the tens. 1 minus 4. I cannot do that. I don't have enough on the peg to pop out. I need at least 4 for me to complete this one, right? So again, we know, reverse now, we know 1 orange can give me some more greens, and that we all know is 10 greens. So 1 orange will give me 10 greens. I'll take that orange out, okay? And I can pop 10 greens. So let's assume these are my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take out some greens, okay? I'm not putting them on the peg yet, but we could, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I should have one more here. So those 10 greens need to go up on the same peg, and I already have one here. So with that, now I'm ready to pop 4 out. Let me take those 4 out of here, okay? This one's stubborn, but I got all these 4 out. And what does that leave me with? That leaves me with, I already had the one there. I'm gonna pop in the remaining ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's go further then. I come back to the hundreds. Nothing to do here, nothing to pop out, leave it. Here again, nothing to pop out, leave it. So that's my final number, and that number happens to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. That is 7. That is, remember how I popped 1 out, of course, 6 and 4. Okay, let's see that again. So 4, 6, 7, 4, 4,674. That's how we do our addition and subtraction. And you know, I'd love to do a lot more with you guys, so do schedule some time with me, and there's a link in the description for you to do that. So also do add your comments and your questions, and we'll pick up some more problems. Thank you everyone, and see you all again very soon. Bye bye.